Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Azizan from 4 Zamrud. I'm 16 years old. Today, I would like to share about the amazing animals in the Form 4 Full Blast textbook on page 98. First, I want to share about the big love. The big love I mean is no one other than is elephant. It has the largest brains of the land animal and have the biggest memory. Second, it's about the clever crows. Crows make tools for finding food. They make the tools themselves by cutting bits of wood from trees, leaves, or grass. If a crow thinks another crow from the floor is watching there, they will hide the food. That's all for today. See you again and bye.